Students, now let's discuss the question number 9 of exercise 3.5. In which of the following expressions prime factorization has been done? In this question, 4 expressions are given to you and you have to identify that in which of these expressions prime factorization has been done. Means you have to check in which of these expressions all the factors are prime numbers. So can you identify it? Yes, it's very simple. In B and C, because in the expression B and C, all the factors are prime numbers. But what about A and C? Why they are not? In A, the factor 4 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. And in D, factor 9 is not a prime factor. It is again a composite number. Hence our answer would be B and C. Now come to the question number 10. Determine if 25110 is divisible by 45. Now what we have to do here? Here one number is given to you, that is 25110, and we have to check whether this number is divisible by 45 or not. So children, how we can check it, as we don't have any test of divisibility of the number 45? For that, hint is provided to you in the question. And what is the hint? 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. So test the divisibility of the number by 5 and 9. Now what is the relation between 5 and 9 and 45? Can you tell me? Yes, the product of 5 and 9 comes 45. 5 into 9, 45. And 5 and 9 are co-prime number. So if we check the test of divisibility of the number by 5 and 9, can we say that the number is also divisible by 45? That is by its product? Yes, we can. How? By the test of divisibility. Children, we have already seen that if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is also divisible by its product. So since 5 and 9 are co-prime number, and if we check the test of divisibility by 5 and 9, and if it comes true, then we can say that the number is also divisible by 45. Isn't it? So let's see here. First we check whether 5 and 9 are co-prime or not. Actually it is already given in the question, already provided in the hint, but still we check it. See here. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. Now which is the common factor of 5 and 9? Here you can see that I have made a circle to it. Yes, the common factor is only 1, and that is the number 1. So since 5 and 9 have only one common factor, that is 1, we can say that they are co-prime numbers. Now let's check the divisibility by 5 and 9. First we check the divisibility by 5. What is the divisibility by 5? Do you remember? If the last digit of a number is either 0 or 5, then we can say that the number is divisible by 5. In the given number 25110, what is the last digit? 0. It means we can say that the number is divisible by 5. Similarly, we can check the test of divisibility by 9. What is the test of divisibility by 9? If sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then we can say that the number is also divisible by 9. So let's find out the sum of all the digits of a number. What is the number? 25110. So what the sum of all the digits come? See here. 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 comes 9. The sum of all the digits come 9. Since the sum is divisible by 9, we can say that the number is also divisible by 9. Isn't it? Now, we have proved that the given number 25110 is divisible by 5 as well as by 9. So since the number is divisible by 5 and 5 and 9 are both co-prime numbers, so we can definitely say that the number is also divisible by its product, that is by 45. So it's very simple question.